Hey moms, struggling with pumping? Here are 5 quick tips to make breastfeeding with a pump easier and more effective. 1. Choose the right pump. Electric pumps are great for daily use, while manual pumps work best for occasional needs. Comfort matters. 2. Pump at the same time daily. Build a routine. Your body responds better when it knows what to expect. 3. Massage before and during. A gentle breast massage can help with milk letdown and increase output. 4. Stay relaxed. Stress can slow milk flow. Take deep breaths, play soft music, or look at baby photos. 5. Clean thoroughly. Always wash pump parts after every session to keep baby safe and healthy. Bonus tip: drink water and eat well. Your body needs fuel to produce milk. Follow for more breastfeeding support.